Let me begin instead with an international stock question, but a slightly different one, which is Rajiv, have you considered other international markets like Europe or Asian markets? China, we've seen a massive correction, wiping out, I think, 20 years of returns or something. So, any views on that?
We most definitely have. In fact, a lot of people think that the benchmark for PPFS mutual fund or the FlexiCap fund should be uh, Nifty 500 plus plus Nasdaq or something like that. But in our investment journey, if you go year by year in the fact sheets that we have had, we have been investors in companies like Anheuser-Busch, which is a European uh, alcoholic beverages company. We have had investments in Nestle, the Swiss company, which is a global FMCG company. We have had investments in Standard Chartered Bank. We currently own Suzuki Motor Corp, which is the auto company and parent company of Maruti. We have owned 3M, which is in the US, but which has global operations. So we have been investing in European companies and we have been investing in Japanese companies and stuff like that. On China, uh, we have been asked since pretty early days that since you are investing in companies like Google and Microsoft and stuff, why don't you look at companies like Alibaba, Baidu, and Tencent? And the nudges became even more enhanced when uh, Daily Journal Corporation and Charlie Munger invested in Alibaba, and it came out that Li Lu is investing in uh, China and in Alibaba. So we did a deep dive. For those who are interested, there's a 1 hour talk on this subject on our YouTube channel. It's titled "Love China or Hate China. You Cannot Ignore China," and we discussed the various aspects about China. But for various reasons, we were not comfortable investing in China. One is the political situation over there and the environment, which is not really a capitalistic kind of environment. Second thing is that the most attractive space in China, which is the tech space, is legally prohibited for foreign investments. So all the investments which are supposedly being made in Chinese tech space are actually investments in ADRs, which are ADRs of a Cayman Island probably or a British Virgin Island company, which has some obscure subsidiary on mainland China, which has some side arrangement with the operating company. It's not really an investment in Alibaba, Baidu, or Tencent. So we were not comfortable with such an environment, and thankfully so. So we have been saved from uh, investing in that. So after doing a deep dive, we came to a conclusion: this is not for us.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.